Israel just launched its biggest strike on Iran ever. But how will Tehran respond? The first Israeli strikes struck deep inside Iran, hitting nuclear facilities and military bases in a sweeping attack. Now, Tehran is firing back. But how far will this escalation go? But this time, Iran enters the fight weaker than ever before, its regional influence shaken and its military stretched thin. So, what real firepower does Tehran have left? Here's a breakdown of Iran's actual military capabilities against Israel's high-tech defenses. Iran's supreme leader commands a vast military machine, 2 formal armed forces, plus a shadow network of proxy fighters stretching across the Middle East. For decades, these proxies acted as Tehran's shield and spear. But now, as direct conflict looms, can they still protect the regime? Iran's missile threat is real and growing, with advanced systems that can hit anywhere in Israel. The numbers are staggering. Israel's ambassador to Washington confirmed to CNN that Tehran has amassed roughly 2,000 ballistic missiles, turning the entire region into a potential target zone. While Iran's massive ballistic missiles grab headlines, their real threat may come from smaller, smarter weapons. Their arsenal includes precision cruise missiles and swarms of cheap drones, flying low, evading radar, and costing just a fraction of what it takes to intercept them. We've seen this strategy before. In previous attacks, Tehran has flooded Israeli air defenses with mixed salvos, using quantity as its ultimate weapon. In a dramatic retaliation for Israel's strike that killed Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah last October, Iran unleashed a barrage of approximately 180 missiles targeting Tel Aviv and multiple Israeli military bases. While some missiles managed to slip through Israel's sophisticated air defenses, the attack ultimately resulted in no fatalities, revealing both the potency and limitations of Iran's strike capabilities. Israel's recent strikes on Tehran made global headlines, with explosions not just hitting military sites, but also striking residential neighborhoods. In response, Iran fired back with a massive missile barrage targeting civilian areas in and around Tel Aviv. Shockingly, several missiles penetrated Israel's vaunted air defense systems, marking one of the most serious breaches in recent memory. This reveals Iran's fundamental weakness. Their strategy depends on overwhelming numbers precisely because their individual missiles lack precision. The hard truth: Israel's defenses can't stop every missile. Last year's Iranian attacks forced the US and allies to step in, revealing that even the most advanced military needs backup when outnumbered.